Hello everyone, my name is Vishal Jain. I am from Essential InfoSec. Today I am going to show you how can we get encrypted passwords from SAM database and then how can we decrypt them. So first of all, let me start command prompt and run as administrator. Now I have to type a command, that is wmic user account, then get name id. It will just list all these. I have not okay, just let me wmic username. Okay, so it will list all the users that are there in our system. Okay, so now I have to move to the directory for pw, this directory pwdump. So let me type the command cd users shall now I am in the folder. Okay, so now I have to execute a file, that is pwdump7. It will automatically extract all the passwords from SAM database and it will show them here in the encrypted form. So now I have the encrypted form, so I will save it in the text file. So let me save it inside C and we name it as hash.txt. Let's check that it is created or not. Let's go to computer, then C drive, and there it is. So I will move it in the desktop. I will close it. So now I have to I will use a tool named offcrack. I will open it and go to 64-bit and then I will initiate it. Okay, so now I have to load the passwords pwdump file. So I will go to desktop and then I will load the hash file. Then let me go to tables and we have to decide the tables where it will store the. So I have already decided, so we will click on OK and then we will just click on crack. It will take it can take some time to crack the password, so let's wait and we will get the plain text form of our password. Let's wait for some time. Now you all can see that we have received the password and it is password only. So this is the password which will help me to gain access in the Windows machine. So we can use this technique to crack the passwords of Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10. Thank you, and if you like the video, kindly subscribe to our channel, that is Essential InfoSec Private Limited. Thank you all.